How to use reading mode on Android phone. So if you want to customize your reading experience, you can use reading mode. This mode helps people with low vision, blindness, dyslexia, and more. This mode also helps to adjust the text size, speech, as well as font and more features, which I'm going to show you right now. Let's get started. Firstly, we need to open Play Store and search for the reading mode. It could be installed on your phone by default, but if not, just open it. Open the Google Play and find it here. Now just tap Install and wait for the app to be downloaded on your device. Great, now it is installed, so let's open it. And we need to set it up. You can read information about the mode here, then click Continue. And we need to enable it, so we can just tap on Settings to enable. And we'll be immediately redirected to the accessibility settings on our phone. And from here, we need to choose Installed Apps section and find reading mode in the list. What we're going to do is we're going to enable reading mode shortcut to be able to use it quickly. Just tap on and choose how you want to trigger it. With the help of accessibility button, press side and volume up buttons, or press and hold volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. I'm going to choose to tap accessibility button. Also, you can select to place it in your navigation bar on the bottom or floating over other apps, and with this way you will have like this floating button which you can drag anywhere across the screen, and as well as customize this button. So how to use it? We need to go ahead and open any website. I'm gonna just open this one, for example. And now whenever you're reading an article or a book or something else, you can tap this reading mode button and it will immediately scan the text for you. It makes long content easier to navigate, read, and listen to. Also, let's just skip that. On the top, you will see estimate time of reading, which is 4 minutes for me. And you can just swipe up to read this shortened text. Also, if you want for it to read aloud it for you, you can tap play button.
Samsung Galaxy glasses powered by Android XR are reported,
and it will be reading for you. You can as well
reportedly on track
change the speed, so you can tap 1x on the bottom and change the speed for the text. For example, make it faster or make it slower as you wish. Also, you can go to the next sentence or to the previous one by tapping on the arrows right here. Now, if you wish to customize the text appearance, first thing you can do is tap on those double T's at the bottom right, and you can make the text smaller or you can make it bigger like that. Now you can also tap the settings icon in the bottom left and customize the display. For example, you can just change the font style. You can also change the alliance. You can change the color of the text, make it warmer or cooler, use system theme, and so on. And whenever you want to close it, just swipe to the bottom like that, or tap your reading shortcut once again. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.